Have you ever seen a photograph of food that looks so good that it could pop off the page? What about that perfect colorful piece of birthday cake that looks as though it could be a piece of art? Well, getting food to look that good is a lot harder than you might think. But luckily, there are professionals who know all the tips and tricks to make food photography pop and make eye-appealing and appetizing looking dishes. And those professionals are food stylists. Hey FoodGrads tribe, Veronica here, and today in our fact series we are exploring the exciting career of food stylists. So let's just hop right into it. Number 1. Food stylists present and prepare food. Food stylists are individuals who are responsible for preparing, plating, and presenting food in a way that looks appealing to the camera. Food stylists perform research on clients and dishes in order to create beautiful photos. Some food stylists even cook or bake the food presented in a photo. Number 2. Food stylists have an understanding of food. Food stylists may not be food scientists, but they have a strong understanding of the connection between cooking and food. For example, when you cook salmon, it goes from a pink color to something that's more orange. Food stylists gain their knowledge by reading cookbooks and cooking constantly. Number 3. Food stylists do not need degrees. Not all food stylists have a background in the culinary arts. Many food stylists are actually self-taught because there's so many resources out there available, and it's a type of career that lends itself well to self-teaching. However, an associate's degree or bachelor's degree can be extremely useful for food stylists. That's because these degrees provide solid knowledge foundations that food stylists can use in their careers. Number 4. Food stylists are creative. Food styling is a form of art, meaning that it lends itself well to the creative. For example, on a shoot for ice cream sundaes, food stylists can change the background and make subtle changes that'll just make the photos pop. Furthermore, they're problem solvers because they know what tools to use on hand just to get that perfect photo. Number 5. Food stylists never perform the same day twice. If you're looking for a profession in which every day is the same, then food styling is not for you. That's because food stylists use their core set of skills like photography and they apply them to different situations. One day, a food stylist may be at the grocery store picking up different food items to use on their set, while the next day they'll actually be performing the actual photo shoot as well. That's why food styling has a lot of variability. Number 6. Food stylists may perform special tasks. Food styling is not a rigid profession in which every single day is the same. Food stylists may be asked to perform special tasks as asked by their client. For example, some food stylists have been employed in doing cooking demonstration videos for a YouTube ad campaign, or working with the sourcing department to source ingredients which will be used in the set. Number 7. Food stylists have an odd work schedule. Food styling is not a profession which lends itself well to an exact schedule. Some food stylists may be required to work nights, evenings, and even holidays just to get a shoot done. For example, a company might need an ad campaign that is being distributed the next day, and they'll require the food stylist to work overnight just to get the campaign complete. Number 8. Food stylists have these set of skills. Food stylists are well organized. They might come to a set not knowing what to expect, but this doesn't faze food stylists. That's because they come with their arsenal of tools and they're prepared to solve any problem with what is on hand. Food stylists have an attention for detail. Food photography is all about the details. The subtle change of even just moving a spoon on a soup bowl can make all the difference. That's why food stylists know how to change the little details to make the most superb photos. And finally, food stylists need to be able to work in teams. Although some food stylists work on their own, this generally isn't the case. They need to be comfortable working with designers, marketers, and clients in order to create the perfect photo. Food stylists truly listen and understand what clients need in order to make the best photographs out there.